Ciao! Today we are making a traditional caprese salad. It's a simple tomato salad recipe with only 6 ingredients. Let's begin. First, let's start by cutting a large tomato into thick slices, about 1/4 inch thick. You will want to use a large tomato for this recipe so that the tomato slices are about the same size as the mozzarella slices will be. Next, we are going to use a fresh mozzarella ball. The fresh mozzarella comes in a liquid, so first strain the mozzarella ball from the liquid. And now we'll start slicing. Again, about 1/4 inch thick slice. Next, we will start arranging the tomato slices and mozzarella slices on a round plate. Now, we'll add in a fresh basil leaf for each pair of tomato and mozzarella slice. Next, we'll drizzle with some good quality extra virgin olive oil. Season with some sea salt. Add some freshly ground black pepper. Serve and enjoy. Buon appetito!